Hey guys, this is Saurabh Mathur and I welcome you in this another video in the series of how to grow your Pinterest account. So today I'll be telling you how you can create some beautiful pins like this for your own Pinterest profile. You can see there are vertical pins like this and they are very easy to create. So I'll be giving you two ways with which you can create these pins. One is the free way with which you can create, with which you need to create the pins yourself, and the other one is a paid way with which you can outsource the creation of pins. So let me just dive in. So, so without any further ado, let me just straight away jump into the free way of creating these beautiful pins. So what you have to do, you need to go what you have to do in order to create these beautiful pins, you need to go to a website called canva.com. Okay, and once you are on the home page of Canva, just type Pinterest. It will come up with this Pinterest graphic, which is 735 pixel into 1102 pixels. Okay, and these are various templates which you can use for your pins. There are free templates as well as there are paid templates, but I would recommend you to use free templates to begin with. So let's say we have this one. So just move myself away. So this is how the pin gonna look like. Since we had created our Pinterest profile based on smart gadgets, so I'll be creating a pin for one of the smart gadgets which I'll pick up. Okay, so let me just remove this one. So we will start afresh. So we will start with a blank canvas over here. And in order to get the images, what you can do, you can just take out the image from whatever product you are promoting. You can just go to their sales page or product page and you can get that image. So since I'm using Kickbooster marketplace to promote their products, so I'm gonna pick up one of the images from here. Let me just move myself this way. Okay, let me pick up one good product. Okay, this one, Blitz Mini Tactical Pocket Knife. Okay, this one is looking good. Okay, we can just go through what this is all about. So it's a tactical knife which you can carry. And let's go to this link, which will take us to the main page. Okay, so this is the main page, and with Kickstarter and Kickbooster, uh, most of the companies, they provide some media templates or media graphics which you can use. So there must be somewhere here about the media kit. Yeah, as you can see, there is a media kit as well. We will just pick up one of the item from here. So you can see there are different images. Okay, this is one of them. Let's check few more. This one is good. This one. Come on, my internet is acting a bit today. This is the video. Blitz pocket knife. Okay. I think let's go ahead and use this one. So what I'll do is I'll probably just copy this image, to this one. So I'll just download this image. Okay, the image has been downloaded. Now let's go back to Canva, and this was our blank canvas. And now on the left hand side, where you will see all the options of text, background, uploads. So good, we'll go to uploads. Okay, and we will upload and that image which we had downloaded over here. Let's Tanto. Yeah, this is it. Now you can see the image is downloading in Canva. Now once the image is downloaded, just have to double click it and it will come on the canvas. Now what you can do, just resize the image. Just resize it properly so that all the text are visible. This one is not fitting properly. So if the image is not fitting properly, what you can do, you can just select a background. This one, this one you just have to double click on it, come up. Okay, and now if you want to add some text, you can do it by going into the text section and select one of the available fonts. So I'll just go with this one for now. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, now what you need to write, you can just go to the sales page. I'll just open it in a new window. Let's say splits we need technical programs petition. And maybe we'll just pick up this line and we'll come here. Just this one. Just change the color of it to white so that it's visible. Okay, just do it like this. can just Let's mini pocket knife. If you want to change the font, you can do it right from here. No, I don't like this one. Let's find a good one. This one seems to be okay. So this is how our graphic is ready. Now we just click on download and make sure you select the PNG option and click on download, and our image has been downloaded. Let me show you. So this is our image which we need to use in Pinterest. So this is the free way of creating the images. Now I'll tell you a paid way where you can outsource all this work. So all you need to do is go to the site called Fiverr.com. Okay, and over here just type in Pinterest graphic. Click on search. Sign in later on. So you can see that there are various people offering their gigs. That I'll quickly create a FB, Instagram, Pinterest graphic. I'll create five amazing Pinterest graphics for $15. I'll get a professional custom Pinterest graphics, $5 starting at. So it's a level 2 seller. So you need to just pick up the level 2 seller, or the level 1 as well, depending on your budget. So it says the basic package is $5, one Pinterest image using your images and text to promote to your post and site. For $15, you'll get 5 graphics. For $50, you'll get 25 Pinterest graphics. So you can just go through the seller's profile, read the reviews, see more. So yeah, this one looks good. So this is how you can outsource the Pinterest graphic creation. If you don't have time, if you don't want to use Canva, but if you're just starting up, I'll highly recommend you to use Canva to create your own graphics. There's a video on my channel which gives the complete tutorial for Canva. I'll link it in the description down below. You can just go through that video to learn more about Canva. So I hope you have found some value out of this video. And if you found some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.